Hello, everyone. Good evening. Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, today I really want to talk to you about thinking and growing rich. Now, a lot of times people often say, hey, that was a book. I know about that book. And I will tell you, several years ago, I did recommend it to a lot of people. And there was a real reason why I recommended it. It wasn't just, to debunk a myth or to push or hype a myth, like if you think you will really grow rich. It was really something I wanted to share with people so it'll open their minds. Because believe it or not, people think that they can think the same way and they'll have the same results. So a lot of you all might know a couple years ago on this very channel that I actually highly recommended that book. But what I meant by that is don't think and grow rich. You know what I'm saying? We should make decisions based on our own thinking, right? So instead, we should make decisions based on the thinking of someone who has already achieved the result we want. And I know that's confusing. I get it. But I want to explain something to you. You see, if you can achieve what you want with your current mindset, don't you think you already would have had it? Right? Right? And the reason why I'm talking about this today is because I get so many people come to me and say, Cassandra, I love the whole product with Livegood. I love the price point. I love this. I love that. But I ain't actually with Melaleuca and I'm doing this and I'm doing that. And then when I turn around and I ask them, well, how well are you doing with Melaleuca? Or how well are you doing with New Skin? Or how well are you doing with Herbalife? Or how well are you doing with it? And they give me this sigh like, I'm trying all I know how to stay in here. The auto ship is killing me. It's like they want to vent so bad and unleash so much. Because number one, they're connected with a sponsor who bought them in, basically kicking and dragging, telling them about how wonderful the products are. And don't get me wrong, I don't debunk anybody or any company's product. I don't, but I want you to see how they're coming at me and what they're saying and how they're holding on with a death grip with no recourse in line that's helping them. So just remember, if you continue to make decisions based on your own thinking, what do you think the end result will be? That's right, it's going to be the same as before. So here's how to switch this. This is what I'm coming to you to say today. When you imagine yourself being another person, and then you think about that person, your decision will be different. That decision is more likely to give you the results that you want. So instead of asking yourself, what should I do? Ask yourself, what will that person that has already made that mark? We have super leaders in Livegood, have killed it on the leaderboard. I've been on the leaderboard several times myself, and people ask us how we're doing it. Number one, we have a price point that is for the masses. It's for everybody. Everybody. It's not just for the elite. It's not for the wealthy. It's for anybody to enter in our space. So I'm just going to give you an example. If you want to become an investor, just throwing it out there. If you want to become an investor like Warren Buffett, when you make an investment decision, you'd have to ask yourself, will Warren Buffett invest in this? So of course, to be able to do that, you need to read into what he does on a scale on a regular basis, right? You want to mimic exactly what he's doing. Now, don't get me wrong. I always love to read biographies of successful people. I was just going through reels, the Whitney Houston story, the Aretha Franklin story, the Red Fox story, Tom Petty. I was going through all of that, and it was amazing how these creative people, they didn't listen to other people. When they had a made-up mind, they went for it. And that's what I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen. When you have a made up mind, don't listen to people that have not shown you the results that you're looking for. Don't listen to people that have not given you the proof of the pudding that they too can be on a leaderboard, or they too are earning consistently from that platform. Make up your own mind to join with people that have set trends, they have given you a path to follow, and it's a successful one. You'll have the tools, you'll have the resources, you'll have all of that. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just encouraging each and every one of you all that are on my channel, that come across my channel. Yes, you can think and grow rich, but don't think and grow rich. Don't rely on just yourself. Look at the trendsetters that have actually gotten in here. Us leaders are here to help you. We want to make sure that you have the success that you're looking for with Livegood. Not only successful financially, but we want you to have the success for health. Changing your health. I can't tell you enough the numbers, the impressive numbers that I'm continuously seeing in my own health. And I'm accumulating testimonials of people that are in my team that are really having transformational numbers happening for themselves. So I want to thank you again for coming on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you here. Definitely click the link below if you have not, and you've been looking and sitting on the fence and trying to figure out whether or not Livegood has been a good fit for you and your family. Go ahead and click the link below. We would love to have you with us on our team. And also, please, no matter what, so that you'll be notified when I upload another video, please go ahead and hit that notification bell. We'd love for you to be notified first and foremost, so that you too can be inspired. You too can understand exactly why I'm and so many others on our team are drawn to the Livegood platform and the business model that is going to actually transform so many lives by the close of this year. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for allowing me to come into your home. Let's continue to live good with Livegood. God bless.